grade 1 students. I hope you are all fine. So today we are going to see something very interesting, a story. What's a new story now? So the title of the story is The Only Elephant in School. So we are going to see, it's going to be so funny about an elephant who goes to school. So this story is written by Soumya Rajendran. So now just observe this picture nicely. Ma'am will ask you a few questions. So what can you see in this? Yes, very good. We see a lot of animals. Then, very good. An elephant is seated. Yes, at the back. So how is the elephant? Is he so happy or very sad? Excellent. So he looks very sad. So let us see what happened to him. Chotu is the only elephant in school. He sits in the last bench. Nobody talks to him. He has no friends. So who is here? Who is the main character? Chotu. So Chotu is the name of the elephant. Very good. So what's happened? He sits in the last bench. Why? Because he has no friends and no one talks to him. He's too big, says the monkey. He has a funny nose, says the tiger. He's too fat, says the parrot. So he's not like us, says the zebra. So we see here all these animals and birds are making fun of the elephant. So what are they saying? So the monkey is saying he's so big. And what did the tiger say? He's having a funny nose. So will an elephant have a nose like you and me or any other animals? No, it is different. No, it has a long nose. So what is this called? Yes, trunk. So the tiger is making fun of his nose. And the parrot, what did the parrot say? He is too fat. He is too fat. And the zebra said, he is not like us. He is not like us. Us means other animals. And then what happens? Chotu is sad. So Chotu sits in the last bench all by himself. One day there's a storm. Bada boom! Bada bash! It's thunder. The teacher sends everyone home. There is no school today. So what happens? So because all the animals are making fun of Chotu, Chotu feels very sad and he sits all alone by himself in the last bench. And one day what happened? There was a heavy rain. It was raining very heavily. Yes, with the thunder, it was banging. So the ma'am said, no school today. You can all go home. And then what happened? We see that Chotu is walking at the front and all the other animals are coming at the back of him. And they are laughing. They are saying, ha 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 ha. Why are they laughing? They are making fun of his tiny thin tail. Elephants have thin tail, no? So they are making fun of his tail. So Chotu is almost like he wants to cry. But he does not cry. He keeps walking. And suddenly, dash! He hears one sound. What happens? A tree slants due to heavy rain and it falls on top of those two monkeys. The elephant turns and looks around and he runs fast to go and save those monkeys. What does he do? He has a long trunk, no? He just lifts the tree like this and he saves the monkeys. And we see now the monkeys thank him so much. And you see, so happy they are. They all three are smiling. And at last, Chotu got two new monkeys and they are seated either side of the elephant. So this is a story. So who is the main character here? Yes, very good. The elephant. 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 And what is his name? Chotu. 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 Okay. So this is the main character. And why is he so sad? Yes, because he has no friends and no one talks with him. At last, who became his friends? Yes, the monkeys. How did he become the friend for Chotu? Yes, because Chotu helped by lifting up the tree. Thus, the monkeys became friends with Chotu. So, today your homework will be from your workbook, page number 42. Page number 42. You got to complete this. Take a pic and send it to ma'am before 7 p.m. in the evening. Okay. So I hope all of you are fine. Please do a lot of reading and also start learning new spellings. Okay. Learn new spellings. Try talking in English and develop your communication. Okay. So now coming to your GK question. Okay. So which is the national river? So which is our national river? You should find it out and tell it to ma'am in the next class. Thank you, students.